another video, and this is a video, but this isn't a gameplay video. Today I'm going to be teaching you scripting. So let's start from the home page. In the home page, there's all these buttons. Now you might be saying to me, "This is complicated, I can't follow." So this is select. The select, like you can select things, and then this is the move. Whoa! You can move like this. I'm moving the base plate right now, or I can move this thing, and then there's the scale. You can scale anything at all. I can make this 10 times big, but when new players spawn, okay. Now next we have rotate. Rotate is rotate, and then you can rotate objects. Like, okay, if you want to know how to move in Roblox Studio, Q is to go down, E is to go up, W is forward, S is backwards, A is left, and D is right, and then shift. If you're going like really fast, then you can hold shift to go slow, and then you'll go fast, and then you go slow. You learned. Or you can do a cylinder, or wedge, or cylinder. No, that's a spear, and then that's a wedge, and then that's a cylinder. But I'll just delete them. You can click backspace to delete them, or just go here and delete. But we're not going to be deleting the base plate. Okay, and then next we've got material. So when you spawn your precious pot, then you'll have you can change the material. Neon just makes it glow, and all these cool materials you can use. Yeah, I'll just put it in neon. It's a cool glow, and then this is the color of you can change the object or make it dark. And this play is just for play testing your code. Like just quick play here, so it won't actually spawn you there. Play here will just spawn you wherever you are. So like if my camera is here, then when I click play here, it will spawn me here instead of this spawn point thingy. And we also got, that's resume and stop, just quick things. Game settings, okay, I'll go into more depth in this another episode as well. And this is team test, so okay, I'll go into that in depth in another episode. So now let's go to mod. Now let's actually get into scripting. So as you can see, this is the Explorer. This is the Explorer that you can see. And you see Explorer, workspace, players, lighting, replicated. Okay, wait. So we're going to be focusing on workspace, then we're slowly going to be learning all these parts, like replicated first, replicated storage, server script service. It's just the place to keep your scripts. And then starter player, yeah, and starter GUI, starter pack. Okay, we'll just get started. So number 1, you can either go into model and then add a script like that. You added a script. Woohoo! Or you can either go here, insert object, and then script. So, okay, you've inserted a script now. It is very important that you name every single script that you make, or it's going to get really confusing, and then you're probably going to give up and never come back to the game. And like if you have 4,000 scripts, like a big game, 40 scripts, no, not 50, 70 scripts, then You definitely don't know which one makes this part transparent and which one doesn't make this part transparent if you don't rename. We're gonna rename the script. We're gonna rename the script to we're gonna rename the script to print script. Okay? You're gonna open the print script, and then in the print script you'll get this line like print. You'll have this line saying print hello world. It'll say that, and just simply delete that. You'll be learning that. So let's write print, and then you're going to put brackets, and then in the brackets you're going to add the text that you want to type. Like if I write and let's just take it simple, dog, and then if we go here and then run, just ignore all of this. We're gonna go to log, and you see dog appeared. Ignore that. It's just some plugins that I have. Dog, you see it appeared. So if we stop the game and go back to print script, and in here write any message at all. So now let's write, or you can write numbers. If you try to write like out of the speech marks, like LKIOPUIFGH, pretend that's a mess, you'll get this error. And it still won't show in the output what you wrote. So you write it in the speech marks, and that's called a string. A string is a text that is inside these. So now we're going to be learning properties. If you go in the properties bar, there's all this. This might be complicated, but don't worry, you'll learn this soon. Okay, we're only gonna learn the appearance today. In the next episode, you'll learn all this, but we're gonna learn the appearance for now. The appearance bar, so you can close data, behavior, part, and assembly, and attributes. Okay, so this is the brick color. I just showed you the brick color here. You can change it. It's exactly like that. You see? And then cast shadow. This is something. Look, you see that shadow? That shadow is from that brick. If I untick cast shadow, it won't cast a shadow from the brick. You might be thinking, why are there two colors? Well, this is actually good because you don't really have your right color in here. You can actually choose from the color wheel. Like I'm on a Mac, but if you're on a Windows, then you might have a color wheel here that might show this, and you can actually customize what color it is. It's good for if you're doing really detailed Roblox maps. And then this is the material: neon, granite, fabric. I'll just put it back to neon. And then select that. It's neon now. And then reflectance. If you set this to like 1, then actually reflect itself. I don't know how to tell you this, but it'll reflect itself to like a wall or something if the sun is shining at it. And then the last one is transparency. Transparency is basically if you can see it or if you can't see it. 1, it's completely invisible. Look, it's invisible. 0.5 is half. And 3. And thanks for watching.